is Anthony from AE Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. It's not always easy, but we get the job done. Today we're on a site visit here at Willie's Welding Shop. We use Willie's Welding for almost all of our ornamental metals and sometimes our structural stuff. We are fabricating the fire stairs for Girard Avenue. A lot of times when you do these kind of things, you have a shop drawing. We don't have a shop drawing. I basically drew the drawing myself based on what the architecturals came up with, and we're sure that we'll be able to achieve a safe and per code structure. The fire escape in Girard Avenue was a pretty difficult undertaking. There were a lot of components here, having to go from the beginning with the architecturals not matching the building. And it's an old building, so nothing against the architect. He's a great architect. Having to help the engineer and the fabricator to create the steel, as you can see from our road trip. Having our guys fasten the steel to the side of the building, which required us to get a crane. And then the final component is the framing portion, which wasn't an easy feat either, trying to erect the framing where there is nothing. Pretty dangerous, but we've followed all the OSHA guidelines and we got it done. Today we got the drone out. We're just trying to show the progress work that we're doing on the fire escape. Check it out. We're trying to get this work on the side here. We're doing this fire escape to access the 4th floor. This is one of the final things we got to do on this project. Let's put this thing out.